Unmasking the Mystery. Interrogative Adjectives and Indirect Questions. Hello, English learners. Welcome back to our series on grammar fundamentals. Today, we'll delve deeper into interrogative adjectives, and more specifically, how we use them in indirect questions. This is an essential concept to understand when trying to grasp the nuances of English grammar, so let's get started. To begin, let's do a quick recap. Interrogative adjectives are those that we use in questions. They are always followed by the noun they modify. Examples include which, what, and whose. For instance, whose bag is this? Or, which option do you prefer? Now, let's talk about indirect questions. Unlike direct questions, which are asked straightforwardly, indirect questions are more polite and are usually embedded within another sentence. For example, the direct question, "What time is it?" can be turned into an indirect question like, "Could you tell me what time it is?" It's time to merge these two concepts. Interrogative adjectives can also be used in indirect questions, giving a polite and formal tone to your sentences. Let's look at some examples. 1. Direct question. Whose book is this? Indirect question. Do you know whose book this is? 2. Direct question. Which color do you prefer? Indirect question. Can you tell me which color you prefer? 3. Direct question. What idea did she suggest? Indirect question. Could you share what idea she suggested? By structuring your sentences this way, you not only ask questions but also keep your conversation polite and engaging. Now, it's time for a bit of practice. Let's transform these direct questions into indirect ones using interrogative adjectives. 1. What movie are you watching? 2. Whose jacket is on the chair? 3. Which route should we take? Take your time, and remember the structure we've just discussed. And that's it for today. We've successfully demystified the use of interrogative adjectives in indirect questions. By understanding and applying this concept, you'll be able to make your conversations more polite and sound more like a native English speaker. Keep practicing, and remember, language learning is a marathon, not a sprint. See you in our next video where we'll continue our exciting journey into the world of English grammar. Happy learning!